welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Sav and this is the Matchy Life YouTube channel. We have a full day of sewing, so I'm going to take you guys along with me for that, which I'm super excited for. So I hope you guys are ready for a big sewing vlog today. I've got the orders that I need to do first up. I'm aiming to get this done in the next hour, so I'm going to pop a timer on and we're going to see if I can get them done. We have an elastic round pouch, a Sunday e-reader sleeve, a Prue e-reader sleeve, Sylvie book sleeve, another Sophia book sleeve, and another e-reader sleeve. So not too many here, so definitely achievable hopefully in the next hour. Hopefully you guys saw last week we launched our hardcover Kindle cases, which I am very, very happy that they are now out and in the community hands. They have already had some 5-star reviews, which I'm really, really stoked about. I have just been working on packing those orders and it's time to make some orders. These orders here also include some of those hardcover Kindle cases, so we'll get to pack some up in real time with you today. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Since I have organized all of my fabric, it is becoming evidently clear how much we have of each color, and we are actually running super low on some fabrics, which is super exciting. I have also implemented something on the website to help me communicate when a fabric is running low. I'll put in some screenshots, but basically it'll say in stock or it'll say low inventory, because a lot of the time in my content I talk about other things as opposed to like, hurry, go and buy now, this isn't restocking. And there's nothing worse than getting a restock, like a notification request for a pattern that's just not coming back. So hopefully this little in stock like inventory feature will help. There's some Barnaby items because Barnaby is really, really low, and also Sunday print is really, really low. Yeah, they're two ones that probably won't be restocking. I might restock Barnaby one more time, but it probably won't be until Christmas time, when I do a big restock of some popular prints for people to get for gifts, because that would mean that I launched it in January, so it wasn't around for a Christmas season. But yeah, let's get straight into this. We're gonna cut some fabric. First of all, I need the Sophia print because we have to make a book sleeve and an e-reader sleeve. Sophia is one of the ones that are definitely not selling out anytime soon because I have so much fabric of it. It's that time of year again where I'm thinking about doing a market. I really enjoyed the one I did last year, and prepping for it, I thought it was such a cool video in the end. I always struggle with this because I just don't give myself like enough material and working space. Doesn't matter how big my table gets, I always need more space. Okay, I'm not really sure where I was up to because I just got interrupted by a phone call, but yeah, we'll do the e-reader sleeve now. Those two pieces are ready. We now need oh, that one's on pre-order. A Sunday e-reader sleeve. Cutting is all done. Now I just need to put this on wadding and then we can start quilting. Alrighty, these are finished. I'm gonna have to quickly pack them up because I only just made it with like 15 minutes to spare, but they're the e-reader sleeves and we've got the book sleeves right here. So I'll check back in when these are already packed up. So I just unboxed all of my deliveries with you guys and I realized I wasn't filming that whole thing, but I got a restock of the poly mailers for the tote bags because shipping is getting really expensive, and this is the most affordable way, is like a poly mailer satchel. Even if you put a box inside the poly mailer satchel, it's still cheaper. This is the largest I can get from my supplier without having to go into like custom order sizes. And yeah, this one fits the tote bag really well and majority of my larger items. So, and I'm pretty sure it all ships fine. So I'm gonna keep shipping in that. The other thing I got was a new set of watercolor brushes because I kind of just have a set at the moment that is all mismatched and I just want all of the shapes and sizes in one cohesive format. They're really inexpensive just from Amazon. And I also got a new watercolor pad because I needed a restock on my watercolor paper. I'm trying some new watercolor paper out and I thought I was getting the A3 size. I don't know what was going on with my brain, but I ended up getting the A5 size. So that's a mistake, but whatever. I want super large paper, but I ended up getting super small paper. And I also got these new padded mailers. I need a padded mailer for the Kindle cases, the hardcover Kindle cases, and the ones I currently have, they were just like old stock from when I first started Matchy that I just never ended up using because they really don't fit much in it. And this one here is pink. I thought it was quite cute, but yeah, this just fits everything a little bit better because it's like got a wider pocket and yeah, it's cute because it's all pink. So I'm going to restock all of that over in my packing station. It is time to head home, but I'm going to pack up one order, which is our Kindle case. So that one can be done super quickly. We've also got a pre-order for the Ken e-reader sleeve. I'm going to use one of our new pink bubble mailers, and it is the Ken Kindle case in the 6-inch, which is the one down the bottom. Amazing, the spotty one, which is very popular. I just have to like a million times check that I get the right size. And this is what we finished up sewing today. We did a cutie carryall in the Sophia, a cutie in the Sunday, and a laptop sleeve in the Sophia as well. So that's all part of the one order. I'm going to keep these all in a pile. And yeah, the order's coming together because everything is quilted. I just need to cut lining and sew the rest of the items. So we're in for a Sunday shift at the studio for a really exciting reason, and that reason being a new customer has purchased, and I'm gonna try and let you guess how many times this customer has purchased with me this week. It's not 1, not 2, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, but 13 orders. I know. It's literally wild. Stuff like this for small business is game-changing. So I'm in on Sunday to get a head start on fulfilling all of her orders. She does have a lot of made-to-order items within these orders. So yeah, I'm kind of just doing them all together and getting a head start on them, which I'm excited about. So I'm here. I haven't done a Sunday shift in a really long time. maybe like a few weeks, because I've been pretty on top of everything. So yeah, would you look at that? Angel numbers 1111. I think it's a sign. We're going to have a good day, and you guys are going to come along with me, and we're just going to smash out this sewing. So before I put you guys on a time lapse, I am going to start by cutting out all of the wadding just so that is all sorted and I don't have to think about it later. This is the before of everything that we're going to quilt. We've got train case, round pouch, carry-all bags, tote bags, book sleeve, laptop case. And quilting is all finished. That's all we're gonna get done for today, and I will pop back in the vlog when we finish it all off. So I'll see you guys in the next clip.